Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In the video today, we're going to be making lavender and honey madeleines. You're going to need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and you're going to need a madeleine tin. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button and of course don't forget to check out my other baking videos on my channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.